Hi guys, um, we are working on, it's going to be objective number 12, so we're going to change that to grade 12. And the objective, says, I can summarize the theme of a story, drama, or poem using evidence from the text. So summarize just means, right, tell the short version. So we're going to write tell short version. A theme is the lesson or moral of the story. What are you supposed to learn from it? Drama is a fancy word for a play, and we know what a poem is. Evidence is our proof, and text is what you read. So in just a second here, I will show you what I wrote so that yours can look like mine. All right, so the title is The Ant and the Grasshopper, but I don't care about the title right now. I just want to know what's in the questions. Why am I reading this story? So let's go look at the question. Number 3 says, finish the story. What is the theme or lesson of this story? So we're going to say, finish story. What is theme or lesson? So that would be our cave speech way, finish story. What is theme or lesson? Okay. And number 4 says, how do you know? Cite the text directly to support your answer. So important words are how, know, cite, text, support, answer. So it should look like that. It'd be how, know, cite, text, support, answer. Okay, so let's go ahead and read our story. So we're looking to finish it, and we're looking for how do we know? In a field one summer's day, a grasshopper was hopping about, chirping and singing to its heart's content. An ant passed by, bearing along with great toil or work an ear of corn he was taking to the nest. Why not come and chat with me, the grasshopper said, instead of toiling and moiling in that way? I am helping to lay out food for the winter, said the ant, and recommend you do the same. Why bother about winter, said the grasshopper. We got plenty of food at present, so like right now. But the ant went on its way and continued its toil or work. When the winter came, the grasshopper had no food and found itself dying of hunger. Meanwhile, Grasshopper saw the ants distributing corn and grain from the stores they had collected at the summer. Then the grasshopper knew blank. Finishing the story, what did he know? Probably he should have worked before he played, right? He knew work comes before play to be ready for whatever comes. And how do we know? So here's how we know. Winter came, Grasshopper had new food, found itself dying, and the ants were distributing the corn and grain they had collected in the summer. So we're going to say, I know because in the text it says, and I'm putting those quotation marks, in the winter the grasshopper had no food and was dying, checking the spelling, of hunger, end of quotations, and we're going to start them again, saw the ants distributing corn and grain from stores they had collected in the summer. Period. End of quote. Phew. That was a lot, but I'll put it up for you for just a minute here. So you see, I started off with the quotation marks and I stopped them because that was the end of that part of it, right? Then and what did he do? He saw the ants distributing they had collected over the summer. And that's the end of 12. See you later.